everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rajashri and today I am going to share my favorite body care products for winters. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. In winters, using a body oil for your body massage is very essential to keep your skin glowing and moisturized at the same time. You can use your coconut oil or you can use your almond oil for that purpose, but lately I'm loving this Nalpa Madhi Thailam from Shesha Beauty. I have used a bottle of it and this is my second bottle and I really like it. I use this once a week at least. I try to use it once a week. You can also use it 2 to 3 times a week, but I personally use it once a week, and this is a very good massage oil for your body and your face as well, but I really like to use it on my body more than on my face. This oil retails for 599 rupees and you need a very tiny amount for your body as well, so it will last you for a very long time. Not only in winters, I use this oil throughout the year, and in winters if you want to include an oil which is brightening to your skin, I feel this is a very good pick. Now let's talk about body cleansers. In winters, it's better if you use a very mild body cleanser which are not too stripping on the skin, because your skin is already dry in winters and you're not producing as many oils you do in summers or in monsoons. So you don't need to use very harsh surfactants on your body. So lately I'm loving this one from Tribe Concepts. This is their organic total body cleanser and I'm in love with it. This is a very mild body cleanser. You can use it every single day, but I personally use it once a week. When I use the body oil, I use in corresponding to that one, and they both work very well. Both the Nalpa Madhi Thailam from Shesha and this one from Tribe Concepts work beautifully on my skin, and they give a very good glow to your skin. If you are a bride and you are looking for a good body care routine, I feel you should invest in both of these, the Nalpa Madhi Thailam from Shesha Natural and this one from Tribe Concepts. Both of them work beautifully on your skin. So this is my pick for body cleanser. You don't need to use it every single day, but if you want to use it, you can definitely use it. Just like me, you don't want to use a body cleanser which is like the Tribe Concepts one every single day, and you are a person who enjoys using body wash. Just like me, I really like body washes compared to soaps and stuff, so I really like to use a body wash every single day in my body care routine. If you want me to suggest a very good body wash which is in budget and it's not stripping on your skin, I feel the Dove body washes are the one. I have been using the Dove body washes from the day they have launched in India, and this is the one of the best body washes you can get in that affordable price. This one retails for 115 rupees and the smell is to die for. Especially I like this Go Fresh variant in the body wash range from Dove. They smell amazing and they are not very stripping on the skin like the other body washes you can find in the market. They smell really good, they are very affordable, they doesn't strip off your natural oils, and they lather very well as well, and they cleanse your body very well. So this is one of my favorites when it comes to body washes. I have other body washes which are a little bit pricier, so I want to include this one in this video in particular. So yeah, this is my pick when it comes to body wash in winters. We are done with body oils and body cleansers. Now let's jump into the most crucial part of any winter body care routine, that is moisturizers. I feel everyone should use a moisturizer for your body as well, especially in winters, because your skin is going to get very dry in winters. If you want to include a body lotion which has SPF in it, I feel this one from Plum is a very good one. This is the Sun Buddy SPF body lotion. This has 30 SPF and it got a PA++ rating. So this is a very good body lotion in your morning skincare routine. I feel this works very well for all skin types. I have been using this one from 1 to 2 years I guess, and this works very well for me. It don't leave a lot of white cast on your skin. It absorbs very quickly. It smells very nice. It definitely have fragrance in it. This is a very good body lotion if you want to invest in one that has SPF in it. If you don't want to use a body lotion which has SPF in it, or you want a body lotion which smells very nice and which doesn't have any kind of SPF because you want to use that body lotion in your night, I feel this body lotion from Sadev is a very good one. I have been using this from past 2 to 3 months I guess, and I'm loving it, especially the smell this got a phenomenal smell. This smells very nice and I'm a big fan of the smell. If you don't like your body lotions to be sticky but yet moisturizing at the same time, I feel this is a very good one. It moisturizes and hydrates your skin very well, but it doesn't leave any kind of sticky film. But it's a little bit expensive. This retails for 900 rupees for 200 ml of product. This will last you for a long time, but I feel 200 ml for 900 is a little bit costlier than compared to other body lotions we get in the market. This definitely have artificial fragrance in it. They definitely added artificial fragrance. So if you're not looking for a body lotion which got artificial fragrance in it, I feel this is not for you. If you want a body lotion which is very pocket friendly and at moisturizing at the same time, I feel the good old Vaseline body lotion is the way to go. It moisturizes your skin, it keeps your skin very hydrated, and I feel any body lotion do the same thing, but you can get the body lotion at a very low cost and it works very well. But even that one have artificial fragrance in it. I personally don't have any kind of problem even if my body products have artificial fragrance in it, because my body is much tougher when compared to my face skin. So I don't have any problem of having artificial fragrance in my body skincare products. So you can go with that one. But if you are looking for a very good body lotion which is fragrance free but very moisturizing at the same time, you can check the Aveeno body lotions. They are the best when it comes to fragrance free body lotion. So if you want a body lotion which is fragrance free, which doesn't cause any body irritation, if you have sensitive skin, I feel the Aveeno one is the one you need to go with. We are done with body oils, we are done with body cleansers, and we are done with body lotions. Now let's jump into body treatments. You might ask me, do we have any separate treatments for our body as well? Yes, you should treat your body as well. If you have back acne or if you have acne on any other parts of your skin, I feel it's very important to treat that. You don't need to go and buy separate products for your body. You can definitely use the products you use on your face, on your body as well, like chemical exfoliators. If you have a glycolic acid toner or if you have a salicylic acid toner, you can definitely use it on your body as well for your acne or any other pigmentation issues. And you can even use your serums for your body if you want to target a certain problem. Like if you want to target a certain skincare problem, you can definitely use your skincare, like your face skincare products on your body as well. And I feel everyone should invest in at least one chemical exfoliating toner which can be used for your face and your body. And my picks when it comes to treating acne and pigmentation would be glycolic acid toner or lactic acid toner. And if you have any kind of stubborn acne problems, you can definitely use a salicylic acid toner on your body as well. If you can get your hands on the ordinary glycolic acid toner 7% solution, I feel everyone should get this one. You get a very big quantity for what you're paying for. I guess this retails for $7 or $8, not more than that, but you're getting a very good quantity. I have been using this one for more than 7 months and you can see how much I have used it. So you can definitely use this for your body as well. So if you can get your hands on the ordinary, definitely get this glycolic acid toner. It works for your back acne, it works for your uneven skin tone on your body. You can even use this for your underarms. If you have any kind of underarm pigmentation, I feel this works very well for you. But if you can't get your hands on the ordinary because it's very tough to get ordinary in India, you can definitely use the Dr. Sheth's Gulaban glycolic toner on your body. This is very good glycolic toner if you want to get one which is easily available in India. It works very effectively, but this one from the ordinary got 7% glycolic acid in it, but this one got only 5%, which is very good if you are a beginner. So I feel even this can be used on your body. Your problem is not tackling acne marks or any kind of pigmentation issues, but if you want to prevent acne from coming back because of bacterial growth, I feel investing in a salicylic acid toner is a very good option to go with, and this salicylic acid toner from Dermitecture is the one you need to go with. This is a very good salicylic acid toner and it tackles any kind of acne problems. Even if you have fungal acne, I feel this is a very good option to go with. So yeah guys, these are all my product recommendations for your body skincare routine in winters. Hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you are not following me on Instagram already, I will leave a link in the description box. Please follow me on Instagram as well. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.